Ladies and gentlemen, this is X Studio. See how long you're going to season one. The lab and you jam. Ntinyana. The guy that you vote my view no cannot tap some continuation and injunction. Sharif, be on Sharif in your Yuma.
Uncle Barsha.
The Buna Mr. Sharif kind of can. I cannot tell you how I shared in the before Hamas or Zaraganda. Mohamed Salah on your win your Liverpool. Ending of season. Uncle Hama player won't come to you can replace Mohamed Salah.
Alright. So impor na chimbe min pasara zaha ban yunde te programs mo always. So kaka tipe a question ngomane because Mohamed Salah Katien Yelma, one of the greatest players of the Premier League. It's a Katien Yelma and United Label no Onyala and Liverpool at the end of this season. Even though Ornamala 1 year contract, but I'm sure mutual agreement in between Omi and Liverpool that at the end of the season, Onyala and Chaps Liverpool. I don't know for how many reasons, but I'm very sure age ma pala that I didn't check out Mohamed Salah Irma. Probably Liverpool born with chances a younger player na to build the team around those young players. Considering busy market shelving that last summer. So Mohamed Salah leaving Liverpool. He's living as a greatest player in Liverpool history, as one of the greatest player in the Premier League history. But finding Mohamed Salah replacement, that will depend on Liverpool manager, sporting directors. But me sitting here, Mohamed Salah need to continue till he gets to 40 years because he can still deliver. So the Bangla sporting director is my son because Bantu Mambara, they are paid to do those kind of stuff, man. So I'm sure Bogotoka option Shangabam on their list before I make this kind of move. I am a shortlisted player shall and you not chance to Zana can occupy a position, man. So I'm sure Liverpool male players shall on their short list. Never Zanak Kabate and Zan Mohamed Salah Zana. Left to me alone, players have and time or nearly expected Liverpool Zana. It will be very difficult Liverpool Zang those kind of players now. And Anka will market man getting a left-footed winger in the market man then very difficult. So those can it will depend on the sporting director, manager, the examples or by option. Because Olise is one of the top players, but Liverpool could to sign Olise in a sense that Bayern Munich will not be willing to sell. I also it depends on sporting directors, managers, and Liverpool as a whole to find a replacement for Mohamed Salah. But Mohamed Salah he's living definitely as a legend.
So this session, where do you rank Mohamed Salah in Premier League? Legend, big greatest player.
He cannot be the greatest player in the Premier League history. He cannot. He's one of the greatest players in the Premier League. He's one of the greatest. Because he has 2 Premier League trophies. There are players have more number of Premier League trophies than him. And Ankati will have greatest challenge. So Kamala Omar criteria shall and Tiro unit so no greatest. But Mohamed Salah is one of the greatest, but he's not the greatest above all Premier League players. Because Alan Shearer is still one of the greatest, Wayne Rooney one of the greatest, even Cristiano Ronaldo is still one of the greatest, and we have Thierry Henry. But Mohamed Salah haven't played so many games for Liverpool. 9 years going in Liverpool, yes. 9 years, man. And during that 9 years spell, man, and Mohamed Salah contribution in the Liverpool setup. Probably Liverpool not for 2 Premier League in recent history, man. So, all contribution in the Premier League, especially for Liverpool, so good to take it away from him. All performance, man, top class. And one of our best seasons, Daniel, like in Lajisma, our first season in Liverpool, that was one of our best. Hello, Mama, Butolan, make it a season, Shalkarnang better than our first season, man. Debut season, man, because then you can play spam in chunk teams, ne. Karija no na adapt to but Salah traveling kind of thing, man. Even though that for me Chelsea a little bit before Canary, but he came from Italy AS Roma, Kakana joining the Premier League as a new player, despite the fact that Odamie, because Chelsea would have to make up to 20 appearances for Chelsea. I would have to make up to 20 appearances. So actually, know that my Premier League experience by that color. But coming in from Italian League into the Premier League, got to pull that numbers, that heavy numbers, I got will players in the Premier League or forwards in the Premier League. La record showing that first season, scoring 44 goals in one calendar season, the one of the greatest individual achievements young players achieving in the Premier League. And Mohamed Salah, as Kamano Shama, he's one of the greatest. And we are wishing him well, Lord Kamzaha Onyenchang, but he's a king. He's an African king. Ladon Mawa for sure. He's the greatest African player in the Premier League, in my opinion.
What Drogba will be?
And Drogba will be, but Salah numbers, the statistics are showing. The statistics don't lie.
Okay. Maybe I got opinion in your
yeah, my opinion, my point of view.
Okay, I cannot tell Liverpool, but I never qualify round of 16 man. Chang of team meet Paris quarterfinals. Paris mean by match man. The man Paris postponed the match. Never rested kakati me Liverpool. Need the same thing. Cabral nung me my Chelsea baza. So ka the man lens beside besama. Ang pahama la nung sima like. Is it normal? Be like the benung fe be the between the benung de la be yaka kugar la team be makatu nung de la. Maybe kami shall me match kaja. In your big match or I'm postponing your member match ma. Can rest it before can I chant me others ma. Ang pahama like is it normal?
La be arma denim zan ha show yerma kama France League ma. Benazurum nama. Denim zan ha show yerala because you can see Manchester City can be Champions League clash with Real Madrid. Maybe in the Premier League come a big clash, and you won't see them complaining come about postponing. Those kind of things by La Liga and Barotoning the park. Because the big match and to a team enchanted by no postpone the match. So but I don't know. Maybe don't to be in the Premier League, but even Yarla in the Premier League. The Premier League club can appeal never postpone the match because they want to play and a big opponents in the Champions League. But I don't see anything wrong with that because maybe Federation might have a priority. La France Football Federation might have a priority because Paris in never face in the Champions League of recently. Paris in never face. So Bumbar never knew everything to give the players rest. To check our full vim, be full energy to play the Champions League. But priority in your but even how Liverpool near me Man City, the next Premier League match, you won't see Liverpool complaining, be Liverpool appealing to the Premier League never postpone the match because didn't a light mentality didn't worry you are at a top level. So Paris trying to postpone a game to buy space, to buy time to prepare themselves and Liverpool. The same thing with then Bodo Glimt way member because Bodo Glimt was resting solely training for Champions League matches. But you won't see those kind of things in the Premier League. But resting ain't over for 1 year, but can there's nothing wrong with that. So it all depends on the club involved because both parties might agree. So we mean by Lens match and Lens are second in the League One. So the two parties they agree. The FA Federation to stop it. So it depends solely on Lens because Paris Bambara. But as to whether Lens accept la, they will accept la, it depends on them.
Okay, I cannot tell them about Arsenal. Season on that start, but I think they've been 4 trophies. They've been Premier League, Champions League, FA Cup, the Carabao Cup. Last week, man. Bemi min Arsenal bemi min City ranyela ban miti ka City rajiba tunde ka po Carabao Cup ma so akwamu pun Arsenal like brambala some problems but team man kara mi venga bi City ra ku garbala ya ka jiba ka po Cup ma
Arsenal every season last season Liverpool Guaramala dream of winning a quadruple but at the end of the day they saw only what they can see. I will bring la Premier League conquer Branya. So this is a dream. It was just a dream ka Arsenal fans mala, probably ka Arsenal players manager mala. But it's a good thing ka winning 4 trophies in a season. It's a very good thing. But Arsenal ne da losing finals not the Man City man. There was Guardiola dominance and kala make history to Guardiola because as the first manager who win 5 Carabao Cups. Okonko first manager is the first manager to do that. So the Worla Guardiola dominance in the Premier League. And Guardiola is still proven to Arteta that and watching the match, the Ram Kama and I win the match, Maranyara, a champion playing against someone who wants to be a champion. Because Man City from on start, Man City that Ram Kama, they are there to win. And Arsenal that time never capitalize on Man City mistakes. So you see at the later part of the game, Arsenal non the defending until Kaba concede Kapa pressure Man City. So I am Arsenal have maybe this style of play. Don't use Risham and 1-0 be win those kind of Premier League matches, man. But it didn't work. When I got to Undadi 2 goals, man, he was a defender, a left back. So you can't go around Arsenal was defending because a left back go to squeezing a hand 2 headers in your box. I will do go around dominant Man City over Arsenal and match 1-9 and a whole lot of people are complaining. Dagwami and Buni and Loha now when you wrote because of Man City and the Arsenal, maybe then that destiny Man City and the Arsenal. Probably that was one of the reasons why I started keeper because I got to keep a good record in the EFL Cup. EFL Cup, because of penalty shootouts, was at the end of the day, can end up in the losing side against Liverpool. One know that cutting me penalty like when co-players had a win. So maybe Dabselman that Copa. But I cut you those, especially that first goal, man. It was savable. That was a very big mistake on the part of Kepa. Even Hala miss a ball, man. There are to no make an attempt to save the ball because then cutting your car and my lot of reflexes, man. But maybe they man that Copa. And I don't think losing the Carabao Cup means Arsenal could win the remaining 3. They still have the team to win it, but the mentality is the question mark.
Okay, I cannot tell you. Labay na wuhur Zidane yalan the France national team after World Cup. Akwamu pun Zidane gbaza yin wundili. Wato zan ba shan tapo World Cup. Biyan kwa miracle din ko no to zan France national team man perform.
It's just a welcome initiative because all this while the man like Zidane you put Jungul in Shambhala. Because ever since when you Madrid and Jan to do young teams approach Mahal, Cotelan Lava Madrid and Lanchan to do and teams have been approaching. But I know that the man initially all attentions that had happened beyond mobile no manage France national team. So probably that's a dream come true and he's a legend for France. Because I France, every French fan, the top 5 players in France history. Definitely Zidane never do first, but you see him second. So a legend taking over a team, sometimes the river worker, but in some cases, the don't carry working. But he's inheriting a very healthy squad. Because our squad my future better because you can see a whole lot of young players from Kylian Mbappe to Ryan Cherki to Dembele to Kamavinga, Chouameni. He has Saliba, Konate. He has Olise. So a very good squad. Kala squad ma want to play with that squad ma for a long period of time because squad man players ban a whole lot ahead of them. Beban carry na manla da Garcia because you see some small you see players by age now champion in the squad and Zidane taking over as a legend, as someone who has achieved it all as a player. Because player can sharp can player is on the boosting because Zidane never win as a player. So Zidane taking over France, it will yield a good resource, and it's a dream come true. When they put it on or tactics well, France will dominate.
Okay. Madrid nyɛla ban yina ti bari midfielder ka Ramos yirina ka di ŋmanila Chelsea Enzo Fernandez ka bi bɔra a kpaɣami puni even though di ku nyɛ ŋun ka bi bɔra a kpaɣami puni Fernandez on che Chelsea ka chaŋ Madrid bi o gba ni yɛli Cancelo ni yɛli di fiila shɛli maa yɛli no bɔndi o kpali Chelsea legend maa bi an kpaɣam maa ka Fernandez ni on to disappoint Chelsea ka chaŋ Madrid.
One thing Shan didn't to understand, kama players they are acting based on contracts, and me na sign a contract net no la ben sha kan tabla feel or kama I'm not can be kan tabla not interested. Then to engine and lab negotiate being and lab review the contract man. So Enzo on a Chelsea player and he still have contract with Chelsea that will last for a very longer period of time. And these kind of things, my interest in Mukunya like the new Ramos. Madrid bar Enzo Fernandez. Enzo Fernandez saying no to Madrid, it won't be a new thing. But any player come dream young to play in one of the best teams in the world. And Madrid, if not the best team in Europe, if in the world, let me just say in the world, if Cabal Madrid the best team in the world, Berancat will statistically be history near and back between Madrid and Chelsea. You still see Madrid is ahead of Chelsea. So one player never know in a big club. Cat is zone between choosing staying at Chelsea and going to Madrid. And I got the dribble to la common, even though the Biani, but the dribble non common can players resist la irin kama big clubs interest no. But Madrid going for Enzo Fernandez going into the Madrid team. It will be a plus. At least maybe in 3 years time he will be a Champions League winner, because winning is assured when you are going to Real Madrid. And I don't see Enzo Fernandez rejecting Real Madrid because of the current situations of things at Chelsea. Because you will feel after the World Cup we decide. Maybe players will be on talk then the Ramos of Kama said, but Enzo Fernandez ne defila Shelma Woram Kama, all doors not like open to talk, be to negotiate with Madrid, and there's nothing wrong with that.
Akana tele Ghana Black Stars, but I never knew we squash a beans and chanting your friend there. We go into now be some Friday comes and you start a lama. To me, Austria and send you by a new face match after banana jammy. Uncle Hamatella friendly matches one, to win.
Friendly matches, mama. I'm not sure Otado, but we never knew Otaget. Oba knows and Tyson Bang only number in the World Cup, man. And as a fan of the Black Star or the national team, match mama got is Xabi and Zambang to fit in the World Cup. Match mama don't get Xabi and Zambang to fit in the World Cup. Because to be in a group where there's England in our group. So playing against a tough opponent in a friendly match, the entire players man some moral share. Maybe don't come Ghana winning against Austria. Laden man, I don't think it's a big news, and I'm sure Ghana need to win Austria, and no doubt about it. But Ghana winning German man, don't it will be a big shock to so many people. And then Maza Hama Enzo Maresca Otuado rather. Enzo Maresca, the Zavrom Chelsea no na Kurova. So you to be a mind always. Otuado is try o tactics mean style of play shall executing the player shall mean player shall don't know Jinchan World Cup man, they don't to know Oji Shapchan World Cup man. So it's a game going on lab assess the players available and the players don't know Zanchan World Cup man. So I don't think the Trinity minds had debate about winning. The two they enjoy the football shall team play against Austria man, against Germany man. The two they well. I think that's all we should be interested in. I'm your ball via local Lucy. The Nera assurance come up Jane as I'm to winning. But I'm winning match based on inshallah. maybe 1-0 goal. You don't play anything good. You just get that one lucky goal, can win a match. The ka assurance shall tell me as a football fan. So then go expect anything from the players and the coach.
Okay, how can I tell 2 months back? African Cup African Cup final Daniel between Morocco and Senegal. Ka yi to abin ranar park ma fune, but later ka Senegal to ba Morocco 1 goal on Morocco. To the 2 months mbuno CAF da yi na ti ne Senegal ne ra win cup shelma. Ben dealim ti according to me ben veve ben ya harne ben like ben due to ben da na shamazo CAF nyela nguyen di CAF ma laf sitti Morocco. An pa ma like den am pen nan be like ben ye ne me kama ben ye be min yele ma like de biane ne be an pa ma arinyi maybe you are part of the Senegal's team ma.
So then you permit to answer a question ma one because it one the yellow me. So then the answer one by one.
Okay, to
so the first question.
Like CAF unity and maybe benda lele be to amana benda due to benda na shamazo ben yala ba yandi CAF mata Morocco kataba 3 points 3 goals. So Kambara like I mean like the journey be no open no usually.
So on this issue of CAF mean AFCON yet it's a question it's a topic Sheldon to treat with caution. Because CAF no yena be yimna ka quote articles ka quote laws and laws shall be no quote ma. Every participating team should be aware of those laws shanga CAF no quote ma. Because CAF no quote la article 82 of the regulations. Article 82 ma year team forfeit match, B team refuse here to play and all those kind of stuffs ma. But quote articles ma kayar ma. So let's come realistically, forget about rules. Realistically, we are playing a football match and there's a referee there. One thing Sheldon to understand, despite be implementing VAR in football, there are still errors in football. And then za approve remeter de kamani sel ne kuto nan perfection. Then za approve remeter de halni sel ni implement machine shell ma don kuto nan perfection. But the come that will maybe in the absence of VAR na can time shell. Referee decision in the final. Referee no who is still against that was final. Bencha can never overturn any referee decision. So we are playing a game and we are playing a football match. So ka incident shelter nang beka incidents nang da ka feel kama referee ma be favor nyini as opponent ma referee be favor. At the end of the day match ni nage referee sabro report and match na you can protest. Because ke shabin yarongwa match man na me Morocco no ban chance to protest. Senegal walk out of the field. But protesting before CAF because CAF division 3 pre we are looking into the matter how Morocco chante protesting and be protesting ma ka quote article shanga don go ne Senegal tum la ta referee's decision never favor as a team. There's a reason why Kababundi are professional footballers man. There's a reason why Kenya organized body man, a club which is guided by a federation. Understand labo federation, that's why Kanye think Kambamala federation. Comes a Hamala Federation. So Federation ma guide the club ma affairs. Senegal as a team knew very well that walking out of the field ma is wrong. It's against laws. Common laws, but it's against laws. Because you don't walk out of the field when you feel referee decision be favor. So Senegal in their own senses. But I mean, that was wrong. That was the reason why Kadanyeka Sadio Mane do everything possible. No bring the players back, man. Because Sadio Mane haven't played in Europe. Umala vast experience and vast knowledge about football and law than governor of football. So Sadio Mane knew. So that was why Sadio Mane knew everything to bring the players back because he knew what they were doing was wrong. We don't walk out of the play. Referee referee make a decision in favor. You play the match. After the match, catch to make a protest. You complain to that's why they will have a center referee, Kamal be linesman two. So Kamal fourth official. There's someone can no fourth official or between two coaches. Yeah. So if there is a problem, you go and complain to him and he will record it. He will record it officially. So even after the game, you can go and protest. This is what happened. Katafila Kama, it was not normal in football. But Senegal knew all those things, but still they walk out of the field. So what were they expecting? Morocco after losing a final? No. So now let's address referee decisions now. Online concerning the reasons why Senegal walk out of the field was because of Senegal goal shell Senegal da film kama referee ngarba and VAR interfere. Why? That was didn't war kama perfections pagi. Didn't war nima any cell bimbe errors. There are to VAR interfere in that incident but one thing shall the trick la incident when chop off goal Senegal didn't walk out of the field. Senegal dana continue and play their games because they knew that Bogotoyi because Bangartamazo. But Buntek bad penalty against and the penalty was a clear penalty. Senegal it was a clear penalty. So Pumpo referee they make a decision against Serte that we walk out of the field because we knew the rules. Pumpo no referee take by a clear penalty against Serte. We are now walking out of the field. The Senegal da year kama Bangarbam ba penalty ho. Senegal da year because of what happened earlier. Kapa ignore it. So I'm pakantizang himam mind na JJ. You see that Senegal was playing mind games. Karimi very cheap. So Senegal that was very wrong. Ka Morocco capitalize on it. Ka protesting. Ka make a decision. But one thing shall the unfair. I don't know whether stop a second question. I should continue. One thing shall Nirbo Pam Neve in year about this whole incidents Lost my alarm team ni in out of the field before fitla match and the referee should be the one to make the decision. Referee man to know make that decision but referee man that wait me can zone my ka ball continue. Can you highlight the 90 minutes? Ka referee close match after Senegal won by 1-0. Ka present a trophy, the medals unto Senegal national team. So after that, Morocco chanta appeal. Ka look into it. One thing shall be then there are two in the whole process. Ka Senegal na kutola mal anything to say. Senegal na walk out of the field Referee da mal the power. Referee Madal the power as the coordinator of the game to call off the match because opponents might walk out of the field. Mina ne ball so the referee should close the game, meaning that forfeit a man switching in our local you first then have to referee man close the game to show that before forfeit la match opponents man switch but referee man close match referee cham ka game can to continue halting now. So realistically bravo switching according to referee report and referee mean all decision in your final half FIFA president Niji talk referee decision in your final in the field of play. Referee monoku shall final but even after then I've been to review but during that 90 minutes and on the pitch referee decision in your final. So referee that to know color of the game go close la game Senegal Morocco you call of the game. So last time they award that 3 goals and Zante Morocco match they walk out, you close the match. Simple. But I'm close match walk labna you left them match go on until me penalty and me select extra time goal. And now you are telling me that and that forfeit that match. What shows that in that forfeit that match? Referee my report for me. The match my that 90 minutes. Ka baba ditawa ka be chang extra time ka Senegal to di 1-0 ka win. Referee my report no wo shamba. So referee my report for the Senegal that win that match. So ni man gba referee my gba he was unprofessional. Then check ka Southern be European pandix man. Na Africa referees, they don't know what they are doing. Because in an advanced country, where the referees know their works, referee need to know me otuma. That to the referee ma close match. They walk out of the field for feature ambala, but they tune close game. To show that we should close but swing me can match my close. But referee man da lama. This is how so will the two sides. Side shall kama Senegal da forfeit la match man. Kasa Chelsea kama Senegal da forfeit match man. But all in all, Senegal appeal enchanted the cast. And cast made the bigger entity. Hal cast bargar FIFA mamba. FIFA need to take a decision ka cast to overturn and the noya in several situations ka decision taken karichan cast ka cast overturn and cast ni overturn lapse trophy be in reinstated Senegal as the champions. It will be one of their reasons. It will be one of their reasons. And the reason is very simple. By that way, the Senegal forfeit that match. Here is the referee's report. Referee my report my no match than 90 minutes can continue for 30 minutes and Senegal score 1 goal and win the match. So what shows that Senegal that forfeit that match? There is no evidence. So CAS reinstated Senegal as the champions. This is one of the reasons CAS using and reinstated Senegal as the champions. So maybe you can bring on the second question.
So Bandini Senegal ni reported CAS one. So didn't they
appeal?
So the appeal to CAS one. So didn't they share lapse trophy mama. Be share lapse the enchanted Kabzan to Morocco no ma.
Man CAF num ni yel baban betla deadline. CAF num ni yel betla time period shall be retain trophy mamin medals man. And tinyar kan be maybe tendi bezile pam in football ma tinyar kan pa na rendi nyanguna ngonde fe lapse. I go to lapse because you are still under CAF. Still Senegal are still under CAF and CAF no be interfere CAF decision na Senegal bara beje unless CAF decided to be and yela a man out of Africa. Baby and yela a man out of CAF. Football maybe bento malande be we ka yeba man CAF. Africa fu no bento mbang me yan we ka we.
She will love sile gwa katon yihima ngwa.
She loves it and the mala negative effects if Senegal try to prove stubborn. Because CAF no unforfeiting match. So let me say example group stage match. Come a CAF ma group stage match. Group stage match maybe 3 matches key in the group stage. Ka forfeit first match ma. First group stage match ma. Ka forfeit match ma official ho. Punishment ma article 84 of FIFA CAF regulations ma. The year kama they will just eliminate you from the tournament. How 2 matches Sheldon Palamagba, they will just strip you, they will eliminate you from the tournament. Because learning is a bad behavior, it's a bad example. So Senegal didn't they career no CAF decision ma didn't stay. Senegal have no other option than to retain trophy ma. And don't fail in the retain the mala penalties. And one of the penalties to CAF need to ban to play from playing in the next AFCON. Even CAF need to stop from playing in the World Cup. CAF mala power because CAF ticket Senegal use search and everything me AFCON ma. So and disobey CAF. CAF have that power. Kabachante make sure ka win World Cup. So there are negative effects if CAF don't stay. Ka Senegal ni yundele they can because the between Senegal from AFCON so ka de tout autres one by never chance in the World Cup be in the next competitions they will be finding it difficult to play. So I just think that danger never return they will return. Then I'm sure CAF will CAS the Pune, CAS will reinstate them as the champions because football is won on the pitch. Ka kutun ka win a football match. Football match be winner lampakani. So Senegal me that win lampakani, and we all witness it. We all witness 120 minutes whereby Senegal won Morocco by 1-0. Ka win Katizaja, and they presented the trophy to them. And football is won on the pitch. So I'm sure CAS will reinstate them as the official champions, and I just see it maybe then save the face of Africa, because right now especially in Europe, Africa value to the Africa really in terms of football then I'm sure CAF will do something to Olan Lamba the Wilma maybe coming Ireland champion.
Then hopes na be na to come.
There are hopes that Blanto and trophies.
Aku nti anko lere tizon jima chokati enselle ba tena kunyela bambal mo ne tiya ku fulumi ya pigeon a tinyela bambal mo pom ne tiya